So what's up, guys? Welcome back. We are live again, and today is Tuesday, May 27th. So yesterday we took a trade, didn't go through well, but basically we're back again today, and I've done. I quickly saw. I didn't want us to waste much time on the live stream so I waited for a setup to start playing out on USOIL. So right now within the next few minutes, we should be able to see if we're going for a buy or if we're going for a sell. So make sure to share the link, let your friends join in. I just quickly saw a setup that is about to form, so that's why I wanted to go live so we can go into the trade together. So basically, I've done the analysis already for a buy, and it's for US oil. So basically, this is the low and this is the high that we're waiting for a candle close above. So we're waiting for price to close above either this high or either this low. Then we'll look for a buy or sell. So it has to be a 15 minutes close before it's considered valid. So right now, I have a, what do you call it? I have an account now, a $25,000 trial to fund account, trial to fund account. I'm trying to find the email where I received the account. Okay, here it is. Okay, here is the account. So I was able to get this $25,000 trial to fund account for just around 19,000 naira. So with this account now, I was given a demo account. So as you can see, this is the receipt here. So with this account now, I was given a demo account. See, it's $25,000 trial to fund account. This demo account, I basically have to trade it. I basically had to trade it and just trade it according to my plan, according to my rules. I could just have to trade it according to my rules. I'll be given the accounts. So I'm trying to open up the receipt. Sorry, the screen is blank. Let me just save it here. So it should open up. Okay, I don't think it's gonna open. This is the purchase. As you can see, I was even given a discount. So if you purchase, maybe you might get a discount. I was given a discount, and you can see $25,000 trial to fund account. I'll be trading it, but I'll not be trading it with US oil. Instead, I'll be trading it with gold because I want to go aggressive on it. So if you want to get yourself a trial to fund account, just use the link in the description. You see it. It's very simple. Let me just Sorry for the unstable connection. So let me go by it again. It's very simple. In case you don't have money to buy a Propfirm account, in case you don't have money to buy a Propfirm account, and you're just trading maybe your small live account, you're just trading your small live account. So what do you do instead of it? Maybe you just have $10, you just have $5. You trade it for a month and you not even make up to $100. Maybe sometimes you might even blow it. Instead of doing that, you can buy a trial to fund account. You can buy one for about $12. You get $25,000 per firm account. I think that's the rate around $12 or $11. You get $25,000 demo account. Once you get that demo account, you just have to trade it and follow the specific rules. So once you follow those rules and you pass the challenge, just one phase to prove your skill that you can actually trade, then trial to fund is going to buy you a $25,000 account with funded next. So trial to fund is going to buy you that account with funded next, just like that. Very simple. very, very, very simple. They're going to buy you an account with FundedNext. And FundedNext is very, you can, I believe you can also choose, which, where you would like to, where you like to get your, which platform you like to get. So right now, I'll be trading the $25,000 trial to fund account. I believe I will make my investor logins public, so you guys can see how I trade the accounts as well. So it's just like a challenge, something like that. So we'll watch it. If I pass it, if I'm am I going to get my Propfirm? Obviously, I'm going to get a $25,000 Propfirm account instead of paying about $100 or $99 for the accounts. I'll be getting it for just $10 because I use tryout fund. So right now, in the next 3 minutes, this candle close is going to determine if we have a setup or not. So you might want to stick around. So I'm just sharing the link over. So I'm still watching in the next 2 minutes now. In the next 2 minutes, we should be able to determine if we are going in for a buy or not. So we're just patiently waiting to see what goes. So I believe we should also check out gold. So why for you, if you have money to buy your Profile account, I will advise you to go for Willis Capital because it's good. I've been using it for as well. So they never deny payouts. If you check my Instagram, you see the certificates that I've got from Willis Capital. So it's very good. The link, if you use the link in the description and use the code AARONTECHFX, you'll get a discount. You get a discount for account for a Willis Capital account if you use the code AARONTECHFX. So you get the discount, yeah. And also the link to join Telegram channel is also it's also in the description. Okay, so we just got the close, and I'll be looking for a buy right now on US oil. So I'm looking for a buy now. Just have to wait for it to get to like 0.3. So this is 0.3 here. So that's usually where I go in 0.3. So stop loss should be so entry usually around 0.3. Stop loss should be below the recent low. That's about 5.3. That should be about $5.3 stop loss if you are using the least lot size. So waiting. So I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for that to come through. If you want to like copy my trades without actually like maybe taking signals, all those stuff, you can actually do that as well. You can actually copy my trades for free for now. Yeah. Minimum deposits of around $30. If you have more than $30, I advise you to deposit maybe about 50. But if you have $30, any trade I take will automatically get copied to your account and will have a profit split. So I'm waiting for it to get to the zero point 0.3 level before I execute. I don't want to enter at the top. Right now with spread, your entry will be at the top here. So it's not a good entry. It's not a good entry location. It's not a good entry. It's not a good entry location at all. So I'm waiting for it to actually get to that level. I'm waiting for it to get to that level. Then I execute. Oh, okay, we didn't get 0.3, but basically price looks to be rejecting already. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, we didn't get up to 0.3. We got about 0.2. So that's still way too high. It's still way too high. So I'm just waiting for it. I'll actually have to wait for it to come to 0.0. I'm waiting for it to get to 0.3 of the Fibonacci. So that's how my entry is. I cannot take entry at this level right now. So I'm patiently waiting. If you could come and retest this area itself, is good. No, I'm not buying already. I'm waiting. So maybe I should set an alert there just below 0.2. Maybe I should set an alert just below 0.2 so that if it comes here while I'm looking at gold, I'll be able to know. So basically, I'm not buying already. I'm not buying already. I'm just waiting for it to get to zero point 0.3 of the Fibonacci level. So right now, if I'm entering at this place, it will be like I'm entering at the top of the candle, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to enter at the top of the candle. I don't want to enter at the top of the candle. Let me check other time frames just for confluence. 30 minutes in 10 minutes time, this 30 minutes candle will close, and basically it should signify something. If it close above, that would be a good sign, and possibly there could be a retracement into this area, this fair value gap here. It could retrace into this fair value gap, and we could see something like that. If that or this block here, this block looks threatening. That block looks threatening. So price might just drop off that block. So there's no need of rushing for entry because we might actually still drop. So the price might drop off that block. So on the 1 hour, what can I see on this 1 hour? Okay, I can see 1 hour candle is still forming. It has broken this place, so possibly we could see this gets up to this area. If things are good, we could get up to like this area, but we're aiming 1 to 2, so maybe our target should be around here. The target should be around there, like yeah, 1 to 2, just that high. If possible, get above that high. But basically that's on the 1 hour candle. I'm just trying to see the general market view. On the 4 hour, there are a lot of noise sha. What are we doing today? What are we doing today? We're waiting for a buy. Okay, we're waiting for a buy on USOIL. We're waiting for price to retrace down here. So I can hear my alert ringing now. I can hear my alert. If you look down here, you see there's an alert here. I can hear it ringing. That's because we just crossed zero point 0.2 again. But I'm waiting for it to get to zero point 0.3. Okay, we're almost at zero point 0.3. I should be looking forward to getting in right now. If your weeks is okay, you can enter right now. So I'm just going to check my accounts. I'm looking forward to go in. Although we have not hit the zero point 0.3 very well. Okay, we have not hit it at all yet. But let me just so you should be looking forward to a buy like if you can buy right now, you sure, as long as your stop loss is is moderately below and can take around is moderately below this 15 minutes low. That's around $5.3 if you are using the least lot size 0.01. So I forgot to even log in my account. There's a new account I opened on Xness. I've not logged it in. So let me just do that quick. I didn't want to buy very at that top point because it's very high. It will be like I'm buying at a very high price. But the goal is to buy at a low price. You can actually start buying if your weeks is enough. Okay, let me log in my MC5. Okay, price is pushing up aggressively now. I got in on one account. I've not gotten on the rest accounts for the buy. But if fuck. I got in on one account. I've not gotten on the rest accounts for the buy. Ah, it's rushing up. Okay, so we're getting retracement down again. So I already bought on one account already. So you can actually start buying. Hopefully the spread is not that wide. Let me check the spread. Spread wide. Fucking hell. So let's watch and see what happens. Okay. Let me go down to a lower time frame so I can see more of what is going on. Okay, so I just get to understand the market movements. Okay, it's possible we could still get like a retracement into here. But if you don't want to miss out on the trade and you have enough to risk, I usually enter if I don't want to miss out and I don't want and I have like adequate funds to risk. I could enter because the difference is not that much. The difference is not that much. So I'm just placing in my own orders. So you can hear the sound. I just got in on one trade. Somebody's asked, okay, I'm seeing some comments. Let me just go over the comments. So you can buy now, buy now, buy now, buy now. Okay, somebody just received his account. So I believe you bought the account, which is the trial to fund account, trial to fund Propfirm account. Okay, I'll check your message, Joshua. So I believe you bought the trial to fund account. That's why you said you just received your account. So that's great. If you just received your account on trial to fund, that's good. So you just have to trade consistently. Then you try to fund is going to buy you a Propfirm account. The link to get your account on Trial to Fund is in the description. If you don't understand, my WhatsApp number is also in the description. I'll get to speak to you and let you know everything you need to know about Trial to Fund. I'll get to let you know. So I'm just placing in my orders, my buy orders. So we're in profit on some accounts already. Oh fucking god. So when in profits on some accounts, I'm just checking them. Okay, let me check my WhatsApp DMs. Let me check my WhatsApp DMs. Brother, brother, brother. Okay, so as you can see, we already have a massive push up. I told you guys to go in for the buy, and as you can see, we already have price pushing up aggressively. So this is great. This is good. We have price pushing up again aggressively already. So if you got in earlier enough, you should probably be in profit right now. So if you got in early, you should be in profit right now. So we're still going up. Gold is about to drop down. I want to get a funny pips Propfirm account so that I want to dedicate this account just for trading gold. So I'm trying to log into funny pips. I don't know why it's giving me issues. If I can buy the account before a setup comes, that would be great. Because I think a setup is about to play out on gold. I think a setup is about to play out on gold. So I'm just setting up my account, setting the stop loss, take profits, and everything. So we're running in profits already. Okay, let me see if I can get a challenge. So what is our analysis on gold basically? So gold, I'm waiting. I'm simply waiting for this on gold. I'm simply waiting for this, or if we can get a break above the high, something like that. So this is what I'm basically waiting for gold, and also so either ways, anyone will get. We're going to get see what we can. So I'll be trading the trial to fund account, my $25,000 trial to fund account. I'll be trading it only. I'll be trading gold. I'll be trading only gold on the account. So that's why I'm also monitoring to see if, because I'll be trading this. I'll be trading gold on the trial to fund account. Let me quickly get this account. How do you get? Let me go to their main website. Okay, I can click on new challenge here. Then you just select Nigeria. Okay, it's starting load. It's not downloading. And so I'll get a two-step. I'll be getting a two-step funding pips. I'll be using 8% profit target, $5,000 account. That cost around $36. There is no coupon code. The only coupon I know right now, I think is March. Or yeah, I think it's March. I'm just getting this because I already have a Willis Capital. But if you want to get a Propfirm account, get Willis Capital. You can see $5,000 account costs $336. But if you are trading on if you are trading with if you don't have that kind of money, you can still get a Propfirm account if you don't have that kind of money. You can still get a Propfirm account if you don't have that kind of money. If you don't have $36, you can still get a Propfirm account using what? Using trial to fund. So let me just show you trial to fund websites. So while we're getting the funding pips right now, $36 instant, okay, funding pips 8%. So pay to continue payments. The internet, the link to the broker I use, everything is in the description. So we're already in some profits from here. Let's see how the 30 minutes is looking. Okay, in the next 30 minutes, if this 30 minutes candle closes above this area, then it should be a good sign going forward. It should be a good sign. If it closes above this box, it should be a good sign. It should be a good sign. So in a few minutes from now, this 30 minutes, 17 minutes from now, this 30 minutes candle will close. As you can see, this is the trial available trial to fund accounts: 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000. I got a 25,000 account, and these are the rules. 13% profit target, 4% max drawdown, 10% maximum drawdown. That's crazy. That's most Propfirm will give you 8%, but this is like a 10%, meaning that you can risk 2% per trade and you can take up to 5 trades. So if you are risking 2%, let me just give you the secrets to pass this. You risk 2% to make about 2.5%. So that means you just need to get about 2% to make sorry, if you are risking 2%, aim for 4% or 5%. Yes, 5%. That means you just need two winning trades and just one like small profit, and you'll be able to pass this. So there's news trading is allowed, weekend is allowed, 20 minimum trading days. This does not mean that, as I said, I've mentioned this several times, it doesn't mean that you must pass the account within 20 days. It simply means that you have to trade at least 20 days to filter out those people who who try to do anyhow. Like they are not good traders, they just try to be gamblers, try to gamble and try to pass it in one day. So this minimum trading days means that you should trade at least 20 days, because obviously if you are to trade a normal Propfirm account, you should trade that amount of time. So you pay 19,200, that's around $12. And once you are able to pass just this rule once, one phase, then you get your $25,000 Propfirm account instead of buying it on your own. Instead of buying it on your own, they're going to buy it for you. So gold is quite slow this morning. I don't know why. I'm waiting to see what happens. I'm waiting to see what happens. I'm trading it on my trial to fund account and also this funding pips account that I'm trying to get. I don't know why it's not proceeding. Let me reload the page again. So let me try it again. Okay, so it's working now. So it's working now, and I'm going to use. Oh, I'm going to use crypto for payment. I'm going to use crypto for payment. So I'm going to use pay with crypto, and basically I'm waiting for the crypto payment gateway to load. Okay, I'm supposed to pay $36.29, and I'll be using USDT. So this is like a tutorial on how to buy a Propfirm account properly. So I'll be paying with USDT Theta. So I'll be using the Polygon network so that I don't get charged too much gas fee. So I'll just carry my phone, then open my Bybit. I'll buy crypto from anybody, any crypto vendor. I can buy, if you want to get your account, maybe you need USDT, I can sell some USDT to you. Then you just simply do this process. So if you don't have $36 to get a instant Propfirm account, just use $8 and $5. Get your trial to fund account, trade it, prove your skills. That's all. You can also come and follow my live stream trades as well. So I'm basically going to come to my Bybit. I'll click on withdraw, then I'll click on USDT. Then I'm going to click on a scan button right there to scan the address on my screen. So after scanning it, I just have to confirm the wallet address. Then I'm going to send. I'll make sure it's able to cover the entire fee. So I'll be sending 36 points. I'll be sending 36.3 instead of 36.28. I'll send so I can cover any fee 36.3. So this is very important. Instead of sending the exact amount, sometimes they might deduct $1 or anything. So I'm going to send 36.3 because it's showing 280 here. So send 36.3, confirm the wallet address again because I did scanning. So I'm going to click on pay 36.3 amount they're receiving. So I'll click on confirm. Then a code has been sent to my Gmail, which I'll check on my phone. Check. Okay, I've not seen received the code yet. So there's a timer there that is counting 27 minutes. So I have to make the payment before 27 minutes. It's done counting. So I just did the transfer, the withdrawal transfer here. That's this lights. So if you click on review history, if you're using Bybit, you see that you don't need to panic because it's going to be under review for a while. If you check on the transaction issue, it's usually under review for a while. Then it's going to, once the review is done and it says completed, that's when this one should reflect. So I just have to leave the screen on and wait for a while. So I just have to leave the screen on and waiting for a while. So while I'm waiting, I'm still looking at my trades. So it has been paid successfully, as you can see. It will show it by itself. You don't need to send any invoice, you don't need to send any screenshot of payment. On my Bybit here, it shows sent. Immediately it shows sent on your Bybit. Change from review to sent. You see that it will reflect. So I just have to go back to my funding page that report, and as you can see, payment successful. Thank you for purchasing. Your challenge is now active. So I'll just go to my dashboard and log it in. I don't want I don't want to expose the password, so I'll take that screen away and I'll just log it in on my Bybit. So that's how you get a Propfirm. That's how you pay for a Propfirm easily with using crypto. So your login details will be sent to you. This one is still running. So I'll just get in my login credentials. I'll log it in on my MT5, waiting for a setup. So once the setup comes on gold, because I prefer to trade larger capital on gold instead of trading small capital on gold. I prefer to trade large capital on gold. So this is the outlook for gold today. So I don't think small accounts can take this trade. So you better be trading a trial to fund account or you are trading a Propfirm account, because the stop loss is going to be wide is if we eventually come for a sell. The stop loss is going to be massive. So, and this trade might is going to, anytime a stop loss is massive on gold, that means it's going to take about 2 to 3 days. Maybe on Thursday, that's when TP is going to hit. So it might cover the entire week like this. I'm saying this out of experience. I've taken trades like this. That's why I don't trade gold on a small account anymore. So same thing for a sell, for a buy. Same thing for a buy. So if you check, that's exactly how the trades have been. And this is exactly what I'm telling you now. For example, last week Monday, this was the trade. The stop loss was massive. The stop loss was 400 pips. That should be around, like, you should be risking. I don't know. Maybe if you're using the list of sites, it should be like, if you're using 0.01, you should be risking around $49. And as you can see, the trade had to wait until Thursday, from Monday to Thursday. That doesn't mean that I'm going to just wait and just wait for this trade alone. I'm still going to be able to enter other trade positions. Like you can see, I entered this one on Tuesday, went for take profits. The trade profit hit the same day. Three of them, the take profit hit the same day. Monday trade, Tuesday trade, and Thursday and Wednesday trade. All of them, their take profit hits exactly the same Thursday. So even though I took that one on Monday, this one stop loss was smaller. This one stop loss was smaller, and they hit the same day. While Thursday's take profits hits here to Friday. So that week was just a back to back wins, 10 hours. So I was not trading gold at that point. I was trading Propfirm, and I'll be trading it on Propfirm accounts and trial to fund accounts, because you need large capital if you want to trade gold effectively. So back here, as I was saying, these are the rules. These are the rules. If you don't have a Propfirm, if you don't have money to buy a Propfirm account, get a trial to fund account. You get a demo account. You follow the rules, then they buy you a Propfirm account. Quite very simple. Very simple. Very simple stuff. So let me quickly log in my funding pips Propfirm. So by the way, this is the $25,000 trial to fund account. I don't know how visible that is. I don't know actually how visible the light is, so it's reflecting. But basically, that is $25,000 trial to fund account that I got. So gold looks to be delaying for now, but once it starts to rush, you'll be surprised. But for now, it's just delaying, and we're patiently waiting while it does all the ups and down delay. I'm still patiently waiting. There's actually no need to rush. So I'm still waiting for gold. I'm also trying to log in my the account I just bought from Funding Pips. So if you're not in my Telegram channel, make sure to join the Telegram channel. And if you're just coming to this channel, make sure to subscribe as well and give the video a like. Give the video a like. Just hit the like button. That will just help more people get to see this. So help more people get to see the video. So I would like to do a general analysis on gold finally before we end the live stream. Just a general outlook. It looks to be trending down. Okay, US oil has changed. Okay, this doesn't look too good right now, but either way, it's already in, and let's just see how it goes. Today might be another red day, but either way, the main thing is just following the rules. So I'm just curious to see what happens today. So maybe you can even go in on a sell right now, but it's quite dangerous at this point. So I'm sure we're just waiting for gold to just play out. We're already almost an hour here, so that will be all for today. Anyhow the trade plays out, if we get a signal for a sell or a buy, I'm going to drop it on Telegram channel. The link to join Telegram channel is in the description. See you guys tomorrow or on the Telegram channel.